Welcome back to my video channel. Whatever. So, I'm with my daughter, Zemira. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Ayaw, nagkauna day. This is a mirror. Okay, let's sing, baby. Let's sing. What's your favorite nursery rhyme? Five little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. Ayun na lang na, day. Kaan. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, down. Point your finger down. Point it on your nose. Nose! Where is your nose? Wow, very good! Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. What else? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible. Ayaw, ihagbong ang mirror. No. 'Tis so sweet to trust in Jesus, just to take it at His word. Oh! Okay, that's all for today. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.